This peanut sauce is crazy good and it's ready within 5 minutes. You never really want it from the supermarket anymore. Let us first have a look at the ingredients. It might be overwhelming at first when you see this, but it's actually very simple. Also, I put all the ingredients in the description so you can look it up later. We will start with the butter. We have, of course, the peanut butter, and then also we have a couple of spices here that I will explain. Some hot sauce, brown sugar, flour, and a sweet soy sauce. In fact, this recipe is from my dad, who is a professional chef. We start by chopping up one large onion. Anyone can do this. Make sure to chop the onion really fine. Later on, I'm gonna combine the peanut sauce with the delicious food, of course. You can use this sauce for virtually anything. For bread, for chicken, for vegetables, rice, even potatoes. You know, if you have French fries, it's very good. Very easy, the onions go in. You don't want this to be too hot. Just stir the butter and the onions. And the key here is to make the onions translucent, so don't brown them completely. And again, how much butter you use, it's up to you, but I'm using about, let's say 3 to 4 tablespoons. Next, we're adding flour. All-purpose flour is fine. Same amount as the butter, roughly. Then make sure to give it a stir. And now you want to cook the flour, right? So I'm gonna keep stirring. It becomes like a thick paste, see? You know when you're done, when the butter mixture is not sticking to the pan any longer. Now we're quickly going to add some water. It's time to change it for a whisk. Keep whisking it, and then you can see it becomes like a real thick sauce, and it gets thick very quickly. So now comes one of the secrets to turn this into dark brown. We're going to add a dark and sweet soy sauce. This is also known in the Netherlands as ketjap, ketjap manis, we call it, which is in fact Indonesian. Hope you can find it. If not, then you can just use like a dark sweet soy sauce. Now keep stirring and you see the color changing. And it already smells good like this, but you won't believe how it will smell later on. It's getting a very nice consistency already, but we're not there yet. Now the rest of the recipe is very simple. So this was the hardest part. Just add a good quality peanut butter, and then we're gonna add also some of the spices and a hot sauce. So peanut butter first. I'm using 2 heaped tablespoons. Now if the sauce is too thick, you can always add a little bit of water. Now the secret spices. Brown sugar. This is a palm sugar. Really good. And like I said, we have a hot sauce here. It's called Sambal. This is Sambal manis, which is also a sweet one. So it's not very spicy. It's salty and sweet and a little spicy. That goes in. You don't want the heat to be too high. Always keep it like a low to medium. Now we're adding the final 4 spices together with some garlic. So this is Galangal root, 2 teaspoons. Cumin powder, 2 teaspoons. Ginger powder. All is approximately the same. Some might be a little bit more than others. That's okay. Coriander powder. I really hope you will give this a try because you won't believe the taste. And the smell is amazing. You won't believe this. And it's very thick at the moment, but it's also nice to have it a little thick. See, it's too thick at the moment. Now I added a little bit of water. So finally it's the garlic. Finely chopped garlic. That starts to look like a real peanut sauce. Let's see how we can serve this, and then of course we're gonna taste it. Here is an absolutely amazing peanut sauce. It's a restaurant quality. Very easy to make. Like I said, 5 minutes. Anyone can do it and you will never regret it. You can combine it with so many good things. Wow, that is so good. Ooh. It's garlicky. It also has some sweetness to it. I really hope you give this one a try.